there is a war going on in the Middle East, and there was a helicopter that went down, and it was captured.
Yeah.
Sorry, the pilots were saved by a drone boat from Saronic. I believe it was a Corsair, and I believe you're an investor in this company. So tell us why Saronic is the coolest thing.
Yeah, absolutely. We're an investor in Saronic via one of our fund positions, which is Silent Ventures, an incredible pre-seed defense tech focused fund. Saronic is just, I mean, incredibly impressive. They've executed like nobody's business. You can see in the valuation of the company and the rounds they've done, just how fast that business has moved. So yeah, it was pretty cool watching the news last night, and they talk about the Apache helicopter that was shot down, and that, you know, immediately two of these autonomous boats were sent out to pick up the crew out in the Strait of Hormuz. I mean, it's kind of a, you know, perfect sales video for Saronic. So yeah, we're thrilled about the company. I mean, it's a no-brainer, you know, that kind of product. But you can start to also see, I mean, just FYI, how these defense tech focused companies where the demand and the instant revenue for them, you know, is coming strictly from defense, how that application, how that value proposition can be applied, you know, in many types of ways. So yeah, it's a phenomenal company.